I'm Azie, and I'm the creative director of verdigreen. I am verdigreen, and verdigreen is me. I'm kind of unapologetically who I am, and this place is a fantasy of my imagination. Verdigreen has evolved from my Etsy shop out of my living room into the brick and mortar store. I consider this to be kind of like my paint studio, but it's a DIY boutique. We teach workshops and host classes for ladies' nights, and we teach our customers how to upcycle their furniture. We sell our own upcycled furniture, and we also consider ourselves a locally handmade haven. We showcase a lot of different local artists. Verdigreen is just a part of the community. I'm kind of like the fairy godmother of the vintage pieces here. We take vintage pieces or older pieces that were going to be otherwise designated to a landfill, and we try to rescue them and repurpose them and rehome them. A lot of times it's just updating the finish to modernize it, and sometimes we take something and turn it into something completely different. In this case, the client wanted to update this really dark, dated table, and we suggested Antoinette, which is a soft pink. It's sophisticated, feminine, and we're going to put a specialty wax over it. We sell Annie Sloan products like her chalk paint and stencils and wax. The great thing about Annie Sloan chalk paint is you don't have to sand or prime before you do your project, so you get right to the pretty part, which is just choosing your color and painting it right on. The pigments are so saturated that it's got this great velvety, matte, luxurious finish. It's a very high-end product, but one that you can DIY. I just really love the idea of reusing what you already have and customizing it to suit your needs. I'm mixing two colors to try to coordinate with a palette that a client gave me. I didn't have a technical background. I wasn't allowed to go to art school, so I had to just kind of, DIY my art experience. But I think that things really started happening for me when I was just open to the possibility of following my dreams. So what originally started as this mission to reuse what you have at home further evolved into design work. I do interior design commercially and residentially. We're also launching our hotel brand this year, which is another branch of our verdigreen brand. And it combines my love of all things creative and artistic and fantasy design with my husband Travis's hotel background. Verdigreen, we consider it more of a lifestyle. We consider it to be sustainable living, and it informs everything we do, from the way we run our store to how I do our interior design and how I design my own home. And it's my happy place. I really just want to inspire people to kind of think differently about what they have at home and to be authentic. I don't think that there's any one way to design your home or to picture your furniture. And I feel like that's when your true art and your true self comes through.